Planning and execution of service jobs is faced with various uncertainties. There is often need to request for more information, check many aspects and confirm appointments. Sometimes jobs need to be rescheduled and there are many circumstances where things change. Furthermore, planners and coordinators are in touch with different stakeholders like customers, suppliers, contractors, auditors, inspectors, insurance companies, and in the meantime technicians. So, on the one hand we have uncertain and changing environments and on the other hand we have multiple parties involved adding to the complexity. So in this environment, communication plays a crucial role.
And this communication often happens via multiple platforms. Planners need to check SAP FSM Planning Board and then they use email services like Outlook to email different parties. Sometimes they use social media applications such as WhatsApp. And of course Microsoft Teams is also used to contact various parties. This adds to the complexity of the situation, and as well makes the monitoring and tracking communication even harder, as communication happens in many different ways. FSMCom will assist in making communication much easier in SAP FSM. It enables communication from within FSM via different platforms. Emails are sent via FSM screens and are linked to service calls and activities. Microsoft Teams chats, phone calls and telephone systems are also linked.
Let's see an example in action. On the planning board and on the activity detailed screen, there is a new tab for communication. Let's zoom in a bit. On the Communication tab, there are 3 sections available for planners and dispatchers. On the right-hand side, the key stakeholders related to the activity and service call are presented by their name, their time zone, and options to contact them via email, chat, phone or social media messages. By choosing a person, the technician for example, and clicking on the email button, and console appears in the middle enabling email communication with the technician. Subject and details are entered. As well, files could be attached and there is an option to send the email or save it for later. Once sent, the email is part of the communication history of the activity and can be accessed later. All previous history is of course related to the activity and is accessible and can be searched by topics, people involved in sending or receiving emails, and by dates.
On the right-hand side, if 2 or more people are selected, an option for group email, chat, phone or group messaging is activated. Planners are able to send group email, for instance, by a click of a button, or send group messages by Teams or even WhatsApp.
FSMCom enables communication via multiple channels from within SAP FSM. Planners and coordinators do not have to switch between different applications. A summary of the email history is provided on the activity, and a full history for all activities in a service call is available. In case of a change in responsible planners, the new people also have access to the communication history for the activity.
Please contact us if you would like to start exploring and using FSMCom. We're here to listen to your additional requirements to include your specific use cases and making FSMCom exactly what your service team needs.
FSMCom, connecting service ecosystem.